Imagine the largest shark to have ever lived, a creature so immense that it dwarfed even the great white shark, a true monster of the deep, lurking in the mysterious dark ocean depths. This was Megalodon, the apex predator of its time, a creature that dominated the seas with unparalleled ferocity. Megalodon ruled the oceans millions of years ago, instilling fear in all marine creatures that crossed its path. Its sheer size and power made it a formidable force, a true king of the ancient seas. But even this giant had rivals, other formidable predators that could challenge its dominance. These were creatures that, while not as large, possessed their own unique strengths and strategies for survival. Megalodon's reign lasted for millions of years, a testament to its power and adaptability. It evolved to become the perfect predator, with a bite force that could crush bones, and a speed that allowed it to ambush its prey with deadly precision. But what kind of creature could have possibly struck fear into the heart of this oceanic giant? What could have posed a threat to such a dominant force in the prehistoric oceans? What could have challenged the king of the deep? The answer lies in the diverse and dangerous ecosystem of the ancient seas, where survival of the fittest was the law of the land. The answer lies in the depths of prehistory, among other massive and powerful predators that shared Megalodon's watery domain. These were creatures that had evolved alongside Megalodon, each with their own adaptations for survival. Let's dive deep into the ancient oceans to uncover the mysteries of these colossal creatures and the epic battles that may have unfolded beneath the waves. Imagine the underwater world teeming with life, where every day was a struggle for survival, and every encounter could mean life or death. The ancient oceans were a place of constant change and evolution, where only the strongest and most adaptable could thrive. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of Megalodon and its rivals, and discover the secrets of these incredible creatures that once ruled the seas. Megalodon was a true giant, dwarfing even the largest great white sharks alive today. These ancient behemoths roamed the oceans millions of years ago, striking fear into the hearts of any creature that crossed their path. Their sheer size and power were unmatched, making them the ultimate apex predators of their time. Imagine a shark the size of a bus, reaching lengths of up to 60 feet. To put that into perspective, that's about 3 times the length of the average great white shark. These colossal creatures were not only long but also incredibly robust, with a body mass that could weigh up to 50 tons. Their immense size alone was enough to dominate the marine ecosystem. Its massive jaws, lined with serrated teeth the size of a human hand, could crush bone with ease. Each tooth was designed for maximum efficiency, capable of slicing through flesh and bone like a hot knife through butter. The Megalodon had up to 276 of these formidable teeth, arranged in 5 rows, ensuring that even if one tooth was lost, another was ready to take its place. This prehistoric predator was built for hunting large prey, including whales, dolphins, and even other sharks. Its hunting strategy was both brutal and effective, often targeting the soft underbellies of its prey to deliver a fatal bite. The Megalodon's diet was diverse, and its ability to take down such large animals speaks volumes about its strength and hunting prowess. Megalodon's bite force is estimated to be one of the most powerful ever known, capable of delivering a devastating blow to any opponent. Scientists believe that its bite force could reach up to 40,000 pounds per square inch, which is enough to crush the skull of a prehistoric whale. This incredible power made it nearly impossible for any prey to escape once caught in its jaws. With such impressive weaponry, Megalodon was a force to be reckoned with in the ancient oceans. Its physical attributes were perfectly adapted for a life of predation, allowing it to rule the seas with an iron fin. The Megalodon's presence in the ocean was a constant reminder of the brutal and unforgiving nature of the prehistoric world. Its combination of size, speed, and power made it an apex predator, but it was not without rivals. Other large marine predators, such as the giant prehistoric whale Leviathan, also roamed the oceans, leading to fierce competition for food and territory. Despite these challenges, the Megalodon's impressive arsenal ensured that it remained at the top of the food chain for millions of years, a true testament to its dominance and evolutionary success. One such contender was Leviathan melville, a giant prehistoric whale named after the biblical sea monster Leviathan and Herman Melville, author of Moby Dick. This massive predator rivaled Megalodon in size, reaching similar lengths of up to 50 feet. Leviathan was equipped with enormous teeth, some exceeding a foot in length, the largest biting teeth of any known animal. These teeth, combined with its powerful jaws and predatory nature, made Leviathan a formidable opponent for even the mighty Megalodon. Imagine the clash of these titans, their massive bodies colliding in the depths. The ocean would have trembled as these two giants fought for dominance. Section 4. The bite of the mosasaur, a prehistoric reptile rival. Another potential rival emerged from the reptilian lineage, Mosasaurus. These massive marine lizards ruled the late Cretaceous seas, some species reaching lengths of over 50 feet. Mosasaurus possessed a long, powerful tail for propulsion and sharp conical teeth for tearing flesh. Though not as large as Megalodon, mosasaurs were agile and aggressive predators. Their powerful tails allowed for bursts of speed, and their jaws were lined with rows of sharp teeth, perfect for delivering a killing blow. While Megalodon preferred deeper waters, confrontations could occur in areas where their territories overlap. The outcome of such encounters would have depended on factors like size, experience, and ambush tactics. Section 5. Pliosaurus, the predator with a powerful bite. Pliosaurus, another massive marine reptile from the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods, also presented a potential threat to Megalodon. These colossal predators possessed a teardrop-shaped body, 4 powerful flippers, and a massive head filled with enormous teeth. Pliosaurs were ambush predators, relying on their powerful bite to take down prey. Their bite force was among the strongest of all time, capable of crushing bone and delivering a fatal blow. While encounters between Megalodon and Pliosaurus were unlikely due to their different time periods, it's fascinating to imagine these two giants clashing in a hypothetical battle for supremacy. Section 6. Terror in the depths, giant prehistoric squid. The oceans of Megalodon's time were also home to giant prehistoric squid, creatures shrouded in mystery but undoubtedly capable of instilling fear. These massive cephalopods roamed the ancient seas, their presence a testament to the diverse and often terrifying marine life that existed millions of years ago. Imagine the vast dark waters where these giants lurked, their tentacles stretching out into the abyss, ready to ensnare any creature that crossed their path. While squid lack the bone structure to leave behind complete skeletons, fossilized beaks and hooks hint at their enormous size. These remnants, often found embedded in ancient marine sediments, provide crucial clues to the size and power of these prehistoric giants. The beaks, sharp and robust, were likely used to tear into the flesh of their prey, while the hooks on their tentacles ensured that once caught, escape was nearly impossible. These colossal cephalopods likely dwarfed their modern-day relatives, with some estimates suggesting lengths of up to 60 feet or more. To put this into perspective, the largest modern-day squid, the colossal squid, reaches lengths of about 45 feet. The prehistoric giants were even more formidable, their sheer size making them one of the top predators of their time. Their massive bodies and long, powerful tentacles would have made them a force to be reckoned with in the ancient oceans. Their long arms, lined with sharp hooks, could have entangled even a predator as large as Megalodon. These hooks, some of which have been found fossilized, were incredibly sharp and strong, capable of piercing through the tough skin of their prey. The struggle between a giant squid and a Megalodon would have been a sight to behold, a true clash of titans in the depths of the ocean. While direct fossil evidence of battles between Megalodon and giant squid is scarce, it is plausible that these encounters occurred. The ocean was a vast and dangerous place, and the paths of these two giants would have inevitably crossed. The outcome of such battles is left to the imagination, but it is clear that both creatures were well equipped for survival in their harsh environment. The ocean depths were a battleground for survival, and size alone did not guarantee victory. In this ancient world, adaptability, strength, and strategy were just as important as sheer size. The giant prehistoric squid, with its formidable arsenal of hooks and beaks, was a master of its domain, navigating the dark waters with a combination of stealth and power. These creatures remind us of the incredible diversity and complexity of life that has existed on our planet, and the constant struggle for survival that has shaped the evolution of all species. Command: currently the VO is 400 words long.